In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to draft professional introductions for your research papers. Let's get started. I start by clicking the Create New button to open a fresh workspace. Once the notebook is ready, the source menu appears, and I'll choose to upload my reference material. I'm adding a document titled AI.pdf, which will act as the foundation for everything I write. After the file is processed, the notebook title updates, and I get a helpful summary of the text. Now, I'll prompt the AI to draft a 5-sentence introduction about the future of work using specific definitions from my source. I click the Send button and wait a few moments while the AI sifts through the pages to retrieve the correct details. The resulting introduction effectively uses the source material to contrast narrow AI with general AI in the context of the evolving job market. It provides a solid academic background by explaining how current technologies differ from future human-level intelligence. This ensures the opening of the paper is both informative and deeply rooted in the provided research. Next, I open the source guide on the left to review the key concepts and ensure the AI correctly interpreted the data from my document. To refine the text even further, I'll ask the AI to make this introduction more concise. After a quick analysis, it provides a much shorter version that maintains the core message while improving readability. This second version is a polished, direct paragraph that clearly outlines the shift from automation to human-centric leadership roles. This demonstrates how easily you can iterate on a concept to get the perfect tone for your project. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.